Want to guide your audience to the perfect purchase, effortlessly boosting your affiliate commissions. Today, we're unlocking the power of creating high-converting affiliate marketing comparison pages right within WordPress. No developer skills needed. First, log into your WordPress admin area, navigate to Pages, and then click Add New to start building your comparison page from scratch. We'll be using the WordPress block editor, also known as Gutenberg. Think of this as your digital canvas. We'll primarily use the heading block to title our page, something descriptive like Best Cloud Hosting Providers for Small Businesses. Next, to make this a true comparison, we need sections for each product. Click the plus icon to add a new block, and choose the columns block. You can select a two-column layout to start. Within each column, we'll add individual product blocks for the first column. Add an image block to upload your product's image or logo, then use a heading block for the product name, and a paragraph block for a brief introductory sentence. Below that, it's time to highlight key features and benefits. Add a list block to present these points clearly and concisely. Think about what your audience cares about most: pricing, storage, speed, customer support. Now for the crucial part, the call to action below your feature list. Add a button block. This is where your affiliate link will live. Label it clearly. Something like check latest price or learn more. Remember to customize the button's appearance to make it stand out. You can change the color and typography to draw attention. When you're happy with the first product's layout, duplicate these blocks within the second column, and then repeat the process for as many products as you want to compare. You can easily adjust the column layout to accommodate more products. To further enhance readability and trustworthiness, consider adding a table block to summarize key specifications. Side beside this provides a quick overview for busy readers. Finally, before you publish, proofread everything. Ensure your affiliate links are correctly placed and working. Optimize your page title and meta description for search engines to attract more organic traffic. With these simple steps, you've created a powerful comparison page that educates your audience and drives those valuable affiliate sales. Start building yours today and watch your revenue grow.